Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to add a coin to watchlist on CoinMarketCap. To add a coin to your watchlist on CoinMarketCap, first of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application and log into your account. Now, go ahead and get to the watchlist tab inside the Markets tab. Now tap on Add Coins or the plus button at the top right and select the coins you want to add onto your watch list. After making multiple selection, tap on Selected at the bottom and you have now added your coins to your watch list. So that is how it's easily done. Now you can easily keep track of the coins you're interested in and stay updated to their price movements. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more CoinMarketCap tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.